see it all though. I promise you, I see it. And I remember all faces. I want y'all to know that too. Keep playing. I'm tell y'all just keep playing. Keep playing. Keep playing. I'm tell y'all something. You think I'll tell y'all now. I promise you. I don't forget shit. I got 9 of letters. Keep playing. You think I'm letting my mind take over? They speak on me. And I don't be thinking it's war. You think people on the internet come around here and do the same? Keep playing. And don't get mad when shit be happening. When shit be happening and shit, like don't get mad like, oh, it was just what I got going on. Talk about that flag and that's how shit be happening. Y'all gotta understand, people gotta understand like what you think is funny to like on the internet that you think is like you be people real life and shit and they be like, okay, so like some people get to a point where they be like, okay, that's how you gonna take it. You just thinking, okay, I'm gonna just show your ass. How about I show you to now my shit that I built. You feel what I'm saying? So now it's like I'm ready to go to war type shit. Let's just all go to war. Let's see if you let's just talk about it later after the war over with. That type of shit I do. But I'll be cool. But I'm not cool for real. So shit be whatever. But it's not whatever. I promise you. It's gonna go whatever. That's me. When people take a hit with me and think it's right here, I don't see people do this shit at me and think it's just this right here. No. I see everything at the extreme. That's just me personally. But I don't like running it because when I run it, I be serious. I don't be playing. I don't play with shit. I don't take shit out of these places. I don't take shit away from my shit. That's because of me though. I'll be cool. But ain't shit. I don't do nothing. I don't give a take 5 years, 6 years, 6 months, 2 weeks, the other day, 10 years, 15 years. Everything catch up with you. Like this.
Is Ace May baby that?
Oh, she's trying to give me Christmas no more than shit.
I don't know what happened. People are. I don't like to know days.
So from the grapevine, that's what I'm hearing from family, not family, but like close friends. And
They said that you
I don't have no beef with young age, bro. I'm not like to be. If young age has beef with me, he has beef with himself. I'm not no street thug. So young age, if you ever see this video, if that video was about me, bro, I'm not no street thug. I'm not about to be beefing with you. Respectfully, I'm calling the cops. I'm not beefing with y'all. I'm calling the cops. I'm not beefing with y'all. I don't have no gang members affiliated. No. There was a street fight and he wanted to fight. Okay, we can do that. We're not no gang affiliated as I'm not beefing with y'all. No. And I heard what you be getting into. Shit. I had to take my Johnny with me today. I had to learn how to have Jake aim like Johnny game. This shit ain't me. Fuck that, you got big pussy to be frying. Just in the industry, they probably got beef with you. I ain't one of them. I do my job, I log out, I keep that shit going. So if he is talking about me, and he talking about son, this, that, and the third, I'm about to have to call ass. That's the only fucker I know that's going down south play. I'm not beefing with him in the Ace. I'm going to have to call out Aspen. Aspen, call her to the front. She would have to bounce out platform. I'm going to put protection around her ass. Without the gang, okay, probably, but I'm not gang affiliated. I'm mine. I'm not in no gang, I'm not a blood, I'm not a crip, I'm not none of these type of things. I'm just messy mind. So when he starts talking that bullshit, I have no response. Because now at this point, you bring in some other shit up involved. No shit, I'm not about to be trying to hurt somebody because of their opinion. Especially when it's the same thing. It's not like I said this, that. No, I'm not counting no plea. I said what I said. But I'm not about to be like, no. So I ain't no mother gang affiliated. I ain't no street ball out. I'm not. You want to fight? We can fight. That's that. But all that, nah.
Well, God told it. We got best
Maj trying to blow Young and Ace's cover if he is the baby father for Bene's baby. But now we also have Messi Maj trying to rage bait Young and Ace's friends now. Yo, Messi Maj, why do you have Young and Ace still on your head top, but we still have you trying to annoy his friends at the same damn time? Well, that's what it seems to be. Take a look.
Oh, look at him like, you like, ain't you messy, Paul?
I'm for sure messy box, but I never got shook though.
But you got people like him though, man. You like, so you like Izzy.
I never, hold on, wait. That's the first time we heard this.
This nigga
shook
Izzy
part.
funny as hell.
This is the first time we heard the shook part. We didn't, nobody got shook.
See, look, you shouldn't have said that. Now you could make it.
Infinity.
What's that?
Hey, quick question. The Izzy boy, when he walked up to me at the club, was I spooked? Exactly. The one that walked up with the cheese boy at the club.
Wait, you again?
Yeah.
Okay, what about it?
Was I spooked? Because he claimed that I was spooked when I got approached.
No, you wasn't. You was on that, and I had to calm you down.
Okay. So quick question, another thing. When we walked to the car, did I get security or you told security to come with us?
I got security.
Okay, and when I did want to fight them and I told you to hold my stuff, what were you saying?
No, chill. We about to go.
Okay. Because right now, from what I see you as, you're a lapdog for Young and Ace. You ain't nothing but somebody that he recruited his clan, and you just a lapdog for protection, if you really being honest. You ain't got no backbone, and you damn sure ain't got no personality. Well, because I promise you, real street ain't getting up on TikTok live trolling the clickbait. So you take your ass somewhere else in the East End, and you figure out what your journey is in life other than chasing behind Ace, and him being your mother's command, and you listening to what the hell his commands is. Aye, Captain, and you have a strong and mighty day. Hopefully you find your personality chasing after mine, because we don't know. Oh shit. You tried to use the Johnson twin to get a goddamn social media platform, please. You ain't get that at all.
So as you guys can see from the situation, it seems like Messi Maj does not want no type of peace and positivity. He wants all smoke. Because not only did you get Young and Ace fired up, but now you're trying to get his friends fired up as well by saying, yo, whatever Young and Ace says, you guys are going to listen to him because Young and Ace is your box. Yo, Messi Maj, if I was you, I would keep a low profile because we already have Young and Ace still on your head top. But now we have you trying to provoke his friends. On top of that, yeah, Messi Maj, relax.